जितना करप्शन, जितना ट्रैम्पलिंग ऑफ फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच कांग्रेस के दौरान हुआ है, नेहरू से लेकर, नेहरू के पहले से लेकर, वो आज तक किसी और रेजिम में नहीं हुआ, किसी और रेजिम में। मैं आपको नेहरू जी से ही शुरू करता हूँ और आपको तब ये पता चल जाएगा कि जो नींव रखी, देखिए फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच बहुत लोग ट्रैम्पल करते हैं, लेकिन सबसे ज़्यादा ब्लेम उसको जाना चाहिए जिसमें आपने यंग नेशन की धरोहर सौंपी है कि आपको हम ये देश दे रहे हैं। वो कहते हैं ना, हम लाएं तूफान से कश्ती निकाल के, इस देश को रखना मेरे वीरों संभाल के। तो वो देश को दिया जवाहरलाल नेहरू को कि अब आप देश को दुनिया का सबसे अच्छा, सबसे फ्री देश बनाएं। तो सबसे ज़्यादा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उनकी थी। अगर वो एक नॉर्मल पॉलिटिशियन की तरह बन गए, जिसने बारबैरिक लॉज लगाने शुरू कर दिए, लोगों को जेल में डालना शुरू कर दिया, बुक्स बैन करनी शुरू कर दी, फिल्में बैन करनी शुरू कर दी, एडिटर्स को जेल में डालना शुरू किया, तो उनमें और आज के किस पॉलिटिशियन में डिफरेंस क्या था? तो जब हम आज के पॉलिटिशियंस को इतना क्रिटिसाइज करते हैं, लेकिन अब भी कहते हैं कि नहीं, नेहरू जी अलग थे, कि लोगों को इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं है कि लोग कहते हैं कि हाँ, पॉलिटिशियंस ने फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच को बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रैम्पल किया, लेकिन जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने नहीं किया। तो ये सब चीज़ें पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू के अंडर हुई हैं। पोएट मजरू सुल्तानपुरी was jailed for 1 year for calling Nehru Hitler का चेला in a poem. First democratically elected communist government in Kerala was dismissed. Congress president said communist parties wouldn't be allowed to participate in general election. Stanley Wolpert's book 9 Hours to Rama was banned. The book Chandra Mohini was banned. Audrey Hepburn's Ramayana was banned.
बड़े आराम से बता रहे हो आप।
थोड़ा और तेज बोलूं इसको?
हाँ, जरा जैसे जिस अंदाज में बोला था वही बता दो जरा।
Campbell's The Heart of India was banned. Koestler's The Lotus and the Robot was banned. Import of any newspaper that undermined friendly relations with foreign states was banned. Aziz Beg's Captive Kashmir was banned. Frischler's Aisha was banned. Bertrand Russell's Unarmed Victory was banned. Robson's film 9 Hours to Rama was banned. Sadanvi Marquez Somnath was banned. Robert Taylor's The Dark Urge was banned. Selling Lady Chatelier's Lover was banned. The book What Has Religion Done for Mankind was banned. Ramnavak Bhupat Singh was banned. Import of any obscene drawing or painting was banned. Mrinal Sen's film Neel Akshar Niche was banned. Menon's Rama Retold was banned. Tony Hagen's book Nepal was banned. RSS organizer was censored. Its publishers prosecuted. Film Gokul Shankar was banned. Godse's testimony was banned. Goswami's film Runumi was banned. Historian Dharampal was jailed for criticizing Nehru post-Indo-China war. Release of 1962 war film Bhulna Jana was blocked. President Rajendra Prasad's speech was barred from distribution. Film Jharna was banned. Draconian press objectionable ban was passed. Columnist Vivek was fired. His column critical of Nehru discontinued. HK editor Durga Das was fired. His column critical of Nehru family discontinued. Congress leaders demanding Nehru's resignation were arrested and jailed. Ads to Times of India were discontinued for speaking against government policy. Magazine Crossroads was banned. Playing Nigalam Communist TK was banned. Its actors arrested. Hindi film songs were banned from being played on AIR. Congress demanded a ban on the iconic film Parashakti. Film Nastik was banned. Western pop music was banned from the AIR. People's Theatre Association was banned. Play Hari Prasad Master was banned. Film Ganga Jamna was blocked. Sharat Chandra Chattopadhyay's play Mahesh was banned. Tagore's play Gora was banned. Balraj Sahni's play Jadoo Ki Kursi was banned. Tagore's play Bisarjan was banned. Pradeep's film song was deleted. Two songs from Fir Subeh Hogi were banned. Harmonium was banned from AIR. Film Jugnu was banned. Editor Prahlad Kashav Atre was jailed for writing a critical article. ये सब नेहरू जी के अंडर हुआ और नेहरू जी को कहते हैं कि लिबरल आइकॉन है। हमारे लिए उन्होंने फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच का एक्सप्रेशन कितना किया, ये बताना चाह रहा हूँ।
Is there any such example in the world